Hi everybody, my name is Christina. I'm also known as the Mobile Home Mama. I'm the general manager here at Champion Homes Topeka's retail center. Your home will be made right across the street, right over there. We build 32 homes a day here, and we would love for you to come visit us. We'll show you step by step how the homes are made, and we'll also show you some finished homes. Here we go. This little cutie patootie has been yelling at me ever since it's been in the lot. Look how cute this thing is. 14 by 50, and it's not one that I currently offer. It looks like it's some type of a prototype that's special made for maybe a dealership or something. But I wanted to show you guys so that maybe I could get it put into my lineup. If we have an overwhelmingly approval from this video, then I can go and beg for us to be able to offer it direct. Here we've got Brunswick on the outside. What's under the cover? Stormboard sheathing. Make sure you put OSB wrap underneath there. We did add some pier savers. We talked about those, a reinforcement underneath the door. And then of course we've got our normal frost-free faucet and electrical outlet down there. Those are included. Let's take a look inside. I usually pause this when I'm climbing and see what we got. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. And walking straight into the living room, and I was super impressed with this kitchen because look at that bar right there. A tall bar, you don't see that very often, and plenty of room to put footstools under. I'm not gonna walk on their very nice carpet, but we're gonna jump over here to the kitchen. There's some things in here I wanted to talk about because we've got smooth top electric ranges are no charge. We're no longer charging for the nicer smooth tops. Also, currently, you can get a gas stove, no charge as well. We really want to earn your business. We've got Glacier quartzite on the countertop. Very beautiful and very popular. We matched it with a laminate backsplash, Casper cashmere on the walls. And let's check it out. If you've been watching my channel for a long time, you know how to tell a hardwood cabinet. It looks like puzzle pieces. Yes, we do have hardwood cabinets here. Black cabinet handles are an add-on. And then we're sticking with the black faucets, black hinges, black faucets in the bathrooms as well, along with the shower heads. And look at this. Really, I'm impressed by the counter space for this small of a home. Added an extra large window there at the end. Now easily, since this home is called front loaded, that means the kitchen or the living room's at the front, you could add a porch out here. How beautiful would that be? And you could add a patio door right here. So if that would be the way you would want to go, that's what you would do here. They matched this window with another 46 by 61, and I'm loving how they encase the refrigerator here with cabinetry. Now standard is a shelf. You can add the overhead cabinet at the top, and I do recommend you do that. I love this too. All the storage here. Wow, what do you guys think? You need to tell me. We have quite a few 2-bedroom, 1-bath models, but nothing with a bar like this. What do you think of that bar? Okay, heading back into the rest of the home. So first walk in, we've got a living room, kitchen, and then heading down the hallway. Furnace on this side. Bedroom number 2. 14 by 50, that's a pretty small footprint. And then coming in the back door, this was interesting to me also, a linen closet. You don't usually see that on a footprint this size. Here we go with the primary and only bedroom. We've got an extended vanity. Put some cool cedar on the wall back here. Oh, I'm baffled by this home. Cute on the outside. I don't know, guys. What do you think about that? I didn't see it anywhere else. Did you? And then here we go. Double vanity, a mobile home mama, and a walk-in shower. Nice simple bathroom, but still with plenty of space to move around. Right across the hallway here, we've got the washer dryer area. And then here would be considered the primary bedroom. Added a very large 16 by 60 transom window. So they've added some perimeter heat over there. Added some really cute features, but you know the one thing they forgot, the OSB. I sure do appreciate you guys watching and listening to me. Sometimes I ramble, I apologize for that, but I just want to try to teach you guys everything you need to know so that when you go to purchase a new home, you can make an informed decision. Give me a call, book an appointment. I'll put you in a nice hotel, set you up with your financing. We can get everything done right here. I'm Christina. As always, thanks for watching.